Hi there, and welcome back to another captivating episode of Food Facts for you. Today, we are unraveling the history and production of vodka, the clear, captivating spirit that has sparked countless conversations and unforgettable nights. Vodka's history is a long and intriguing journey, deeply rooted in Eastern Europe. It is said to have originated in the 8th or 9th century, with early mentions in Russia, Poland, and Ukraine. Back then, it was often called bread wine and was enjoyed for its medicinal properties. During its early days, vodka wasn't as refined as the drink we know today. It was more like a rough moonshine, often homemade and unregulated. It wasn't until the 18th century in Russia when vodka production was regulated, paving the way for the creation of higher quality spirits. Ever wondered what goes into making that smooth and pristine vodka? Well, let's peel back the curtain and discover the fascinating journey of vodka production. Vodka is typically crafted from grains like wheat, rye, or corn. But don't be surprised if you find some using potatoes, grapes, or other unconventional raw materials. It's like picking the perfect ensemble for a culinary masterpiece. These chosen grains are ground into a mash, like the base of a musical composition. Mixed with water, they're heated to convert starches into sugars. This process sets the stage for the fermentation and creation of alcohol. Enter yeast, the star of this show. It's like the conductor in an orchestra, turning those sugars into alcohol through fermentation. The result? An alcoholic liquid, ready for the next act. Now, let's talk about distillation, the magical transformation that elevates the alcohol content and purifies the spirit. The fermented liquid enters the stills, the instrumentalists of this symphony. Distillation can occur in column stills, or pot stills, with multiple rounds enhancing the alcohol content. It's like refining the composition until it's a chart-topping hit. The more distillations, the purer the vodka becomes, removing unwanted impurities. It's like an artist meticulously crafting a masterpiece, chiseling away imperfections to reveal the pure essence of the spirit. The journey continues with filtration, a key step in fine-tuning vodka's character and flavor. Some vodka brands opt for charcoal, while others choose diamonds or even fruit wood to filter their spirit. Think of it as a master chef, handpicking the finest ingredients for a gourmet meal, each imparting unique flavors and textures. Water, often an unsung hero in this story, plays a pivotal role. It's carefully purified to remove any impurities, ensuring a clean and smooth taste. The combination of this pristine water and pure ethanol from distillation results in the vodka's impeccable character. And there you have it, the mesmerizing journey from grains to glass, creating the beloved spirit that is vodka. The evolution from vodka's humble beginnings as bread wine to the modern and diverse world of vodka is a story of innovation and passion. With each sip, we taste the culmination of centuries of craftsmanship and dedication. First stop, Russia. Russian vodka is like a proud parent of the vodka world. It's usually distilled multiple times and packs a punch, often with an alcohol content ranging from 40% to 50%. Let's just say they don't mess around. Next, we are heading to Poland. Polish vodka is famous for its smooth, round flavor, often made from rye. The alcohol content here typically hovers around 40%. It's the type of vodka that whispers, "Savor me." Sweden, home to iconic brands like Absolut, serves up some top-notch vodka. It's usually made from winter wheat, distilled in a continuous column still, and is a popular choice for cocktails. The alcohol content, yup, you guessed it, around 40%. Back to the good USA. American vodka is a mixed bag. It's diverse, made from grains like corn, wheat, or sweet potatoes. The alcohol content can vary, but it's often around 40%. Some craft distillers are pushing the envelope, experimenting with unique flavors. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of flavored vodkas? They come in all kinds of exciting flavors, from fruity to spicy, and usually range from 35% to 40% alcohol. It's like a playground for your taste buds. And let's not forget the small batch, craft, and artisanal vodkas. These gems are produced by passionate distillers who use different grains, filtration methods, and even aging. Alcohol content can range from 40% to 50%, and they're like liquid works of art. Oh, and we can't overlook moonshine. While it's not technically vodka, it's a high-proof, homemade spirit that can sometimes exceed 50% alcohol. Moonshine is the James Dean of the spirits world, a bit rebellious but oh so charming. There you have it, the thrilling journey through the history and production of vodka and a whirlwind tour of vodka from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this Food Facts for You journey through the history and production of vodka. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button and subscribe for more epic food and drink stories. As always, enjoy your vodka responsibly, and may your future be as clear and bright as your favorite vodka. Until next time, cheers to the stories in every sip. Bye.